I'm Justin Anderson. I am here with my friend Voy Pearson. He came all the way from Lincoln, Nebraska to make the biggest steak of his life. What are we cooking tonight?
We're making a Cowboy Steak.
So Cowboy Steak is a slice of a prime rib.
This steak is massive. All right, let's season this baby up. We're gonna use Bel Air Ranch Steak and Prime Rib Herb Seasoning. I use this on all my steaks. When you season your meat, you gotta season it heavily. Especially a cut this thick. Like, look how, this is like probably 2 inches thick,
That's a pretty big steak.
All right, I'll probably end up using this whole package.
Our steaks are from Hartley Ranch. Find them exclusively in Central Market's meat department.
I like to press the seasoning in. You're gonna lose some seasoning depending if you use your grill or if you pan sear it. Try to get the sides too. Yeah. So yeah. I've never seasoned this Cowboy Steak this massive, so that's probably
That looks
good,
really
right?
great. Any extra is gonna fall off, so you really can't over season a steak. And the balance of how I created the Bel Air Steak Prime Rib Seasoning, it's got the perfect amount of salt, coarse pepper, it's got some garlic, coarse garlic.
This looks awesome.
Thyme and rosemary, so it's
All right.
excellent. This is so thick, you do wanna sear it first and then finish it in the oven. I like getting it to 110 because once you take it out to rest for at least 10 minutes, that temperature is gonna go up to like 120, 125, which is perfect medium rare temperature. And so you can make it like this, but what I've started to do is I will dry marinate and then I will put this on a wire rack on a sheet pan, uncovered, in a fridge. And what that does is it draws out all of the liquid inside of the steak. And then that liquid is going to mix with the salt and all the seasonings. And then the steak is gonna soak that flavorful liquid back inside of itself. As you have it in the fridge, I recommend at least 24 hours. This one right here, it's been air chilling and dry marinating for a little over 72 hours now.
Wow.
It's gonna help you make a really nice crust on the steak.
Nice.
Because,
Yeah.
I mean, that's really what we're all after, is a really nice
a
crust.
nice crust, but then have it nice and pink in the middle.
Exactly. How about we get this baby on
Let's throw it on.
the cast iron? It's been on there for about 2 minutes. I'm gonna give it another minute before we peek and see what that sear is looking like. All right, so we're gonna flip this guy.
Nice.
Oh, there we go. Oh, that's beautiful.
With this piece being so thick, you're going to want to put it on the side. Got a nice crust going. And then I think the next step, we're going to throw it in the oven.
Oven set at 250. Just gonna put it right in. So we've got our second steak here that Voy just seasoned. So we're gonna test out how this tastes compared to one that's been dry marinated and air chilled for 72 hours. We're gonna put that on. We're gonna check the 72-hour steak first. It's been there for 7 minutes. See what the temperature is. Wow. So I'm gonna put it in for another 7 minutes, and that should be ready to go. Ooh. We're gonna put that in the oven, and then we're gonna check the 72-hour steak. 24 and 18. 72-hour steak, ready to rest. We're gonna put this over here on our cutting board. Oh my. We're gonna make a really quick Cowboy Butter. It's nice grass-fed, unsalted butter. It's room temp, so I'm gonna use the fork to soften it up. Yeah, start pouring some Bel Air Ranch in there. It's got purple shallot, green peppercorn, smoky Korean red pepper. So now as our 72-hour steak is resting, generously spread that Cowboy Butter.
Is that good?
I mean, see how far that goes, and then we'll just keep going from there.
Oh my God. That's awesome. And that is how you make a steak.
Oh, baby.
Good. Look at that.
Looks great.
Juicy.
Here's our fresh seasons, seared and then roasted, over 2-pound Cowboy steak. Yeah. Oh yeah. 107, ready to rest.
Nice. looks awesome.
That looks so good. Okay, Voy's about to do the honors here. This steak's been resting for a little over 10 minutes. See what she looks like. Whew.
Yep.
Oh my.
Looks
Got
perfect.
some nice fat in there. Oh, that's gonna be the perfect taste right there.
How about this piece right here? Oh my god. No,
What are we
that literally
thinking?
melts in your mouth. You gotta have that.
Mm.
That's incredible. It's just so tender.
That richness of that 72-hour quick age, you really taste that. That crust is perfect. It's got such a great initial flavor, and then that meat is so tender. It's like butter.
Unbelievable.
Look at that. I mean, it kind of cuts off like brisket. The freshly seasoned cowboy steak that we just seared and roasted. It's been resting for about 10 minutes. Whew. 128. I mean, this is perfectly medium rare.
That one looks so juicy.
Okay, let me try the first bite here. Oh, Go for it.
All right, look at this. Wow,
Excellent.
really good.
There's two different flavor profiles and textures here.
Yep.
This tastes more like something that may have been smoked. Just the texture of it and the color. Whereas this, you get more of a fresher flavor.
You
to
get
it.
more of the fresh herbs on this one, and it's still very juicy and tender. But this one is like the tenderness. It's almost like you said a brisket, where it kind of just melts in your mouth.
Yeah.
Wow.
So between the two, you get your freshly seasoned and seared and roasted cowboy steak versus the 72-hour dry marinated and air chilled steak.
I gotta have one more piece.
Okay.
I think this one.
All right, 72 hours. It wins.